Stand up. Good morning, dear learners.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm great, thank you.
Who is absent?
Mahalat and Kwan Arabs.
Okay, thank you very much. So, Ilyas, what day is it today?
The 24th of May.
What day is it today?
It's Friday.
Okay, thank you very much. Boys and girls, let's continue our lesson. But before, in order to have a good atmosphere in our class, let's listen to the music, okay? I'm going to play the music. Please, let's listen. Learn about the present continuous tense. Yeah, and today we are going to learn to make up story, to listen, to speak about the present continuous tense. Now let's continue. Boys and girls, look at me and here, this is a management here. It's a management card, and in your tables you can see management cards too. Yes, and there are numbers 1, 2, 4, 3, 4. Ramil and Bigayim. Number 2, Ilyas Mahabat. Number 4, Asal and Tagbergen. Yeah, okay. Today we are going to work by this card. Okay. And today you are going to work with two kind of partners, the shoulder partner and the face partner. Now please give a piece to your shoulder partner. Give a piece to your shoulder partner. Okay? And high five to your face partner. Okay. Now I see you are ready. Let's start our lesson. Here you can see take-off, touchdown method. Using this method, today you are going to work. The first, read the descriptor, read the sentence, then say true or false. Okay, then you will have 2 points. And for today's lesson, I've prepared you some genres. Yes? For you. At the end of the lesson, you will evaluate yourself. Please, during the lessons, the first task is I'm going to check your knowledge about present continuous tense. Yes? If the sentence is will true, you have to stand up. If the sentence is will false, you have to sit down. Clear? Okay, let's continue. Yes, you are right. It's false. She's dancing. Okay, you are perfect. It's false. You are playing chess. Yes, perfect. True. He is riding a bike. Very good. He's not riding a bike. It's false. We are writing false. Very good. Okay. Okay, my dear boys and girls, we have finished the first task. I see that you have what? You have a very good knowledge about the present continuous tense. The next task is we are going to use drop sorts method. With this method, you are going to choose the pictures and make up your own story. Yeah? So, boys and girls, you can see here some pictures, and you have to come here and choose 4 pictures. Please, members of this group, yes, choose 4 pictures which you need. Yes, 1. Okay. Okay, sit down and review.
We are ready.
Okay, please, Ilyas and Ramil, take me. And please, Asal and the goodness, stick your pictures.
Today is Sunday. It's a photo ceremony. She is watering flowers, and she is washing dishes, and her mother is cooking, and they are cleaning house.
Okay, very nice.
We are ready.
Okay, now come to the board. And you too. Stick your pictures with voice.
Askar is writing a letter to his brother.
And his brother Aslan listening he is watching TV now.
The sister listening to the
Is listening.
And the young brothers and sisters are dancing now. They are all happy.
Okay, that's it very much. So, okay, boys and the girls, look at me. The next task is using this method to maintain a round table. What does it mean? Here you should listen to the conversation and write the missing verbs. Okay? Listen, please.
Model 2. We're going to the mall. We're visiting my sister tonight.
Okay? Listen up. Okay. In this task, you have to work with your face partners. Yes? Exchange your copybooks, please. Face partners, face. Exchange your copybooks. So, let's check. The first was leaving. The second, going. The third is visiting. The fourth is returning.
Yes.
Makaban.
4 is 4 of 4.
4 of 4. Very good, very good. What about Mukhtar Bigayam?
4 of 4.
4 of 4. Very nice. Ramil, what about Gulnaz? 4 of 4. Asal, what about Ilyas? 4 of 4. Okay, very good. You have done. So let's continue our lesson. The next method is quiz 3. Here you have work with the partner, shoulder partner, and the face partner. Yeah. Then you should ask and answer the questions.
Are you doing grammar exercise?
Yes, I am. Are you sleeping?
I'm.
Are you sleeping?
Not, I'm not. Is teacher watching TV now?
No, she isn't.
So I am going to ask a boy who is wearing black socks. Okay, now again. Are you watching TV now?
No, I'm not.
Okay, very good. I am going to ask a girl who is having a long hair. Yes, Gulnaz, please. Gulnaz, are you doing grammar exercise?
Yes, I'm.
Okay, very good. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to revise our lesson. Please stand up. Stand up. I'll give you cards, and I will play the music. Go around. How many words do you remember, Muhammad, from today's lesson?
Going, turning, using, sitting.
Okay, what about you, Mumtaz? How many words do you remember?
Sitting, driving, phone.
Okay, thank you very much. So, yes, Ramil, what? How many words?
Driving, sitting.
Okay. Yes?
Riding, listening, my dad is swimming, I washing.
Very good. My dad is swimming. Okay, thank you very much. Stand up. You see that you are in the classroom, yeah? And you see cards in the classroom. Smiles, yeah? Yes, it was said I didn't like the lesson. I understood everything. The next, I'm surprised. It was a bit difficult but interesting. What can you say about today's lesson?
I'm happy, I like it.
I'm happy I understood everything. I like song.
Okay, I like the song. What about you, Mumtaz?
I'm happy I understood everything and the present continuous tense.
Okay, I understood about the present continuous tense.
I'm happy I understood everything. I like the song.
Okay, very good. So, my dear boys and girls, I'll give you 10 seconds. Please tell me about your marks for today's marks. Please. Okay, Mahabat, how many marks do you have today?
10 marks.
10, okay.
10.
10, very good.
10.
Somebody get
10.
very good. Okay. Ilyas? 10. Ilyas, what about you?
10.
10, okay. So, boys and the girls, today you were very active. Thank you very much. I love you very much. See you for the next lesson. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.